You update my hair is gonna be blonde. Blonde. Tomorrow's Christmas. In 2 weeks is my birthday. 2 days till Boxing Day. Few days till Happy New Year's. Then it's 4 days till my birthday. Update blonde. 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 If you were born naturally with blonde hair, then you're just special. All I have to say. Especially if you men. No? Oh yeah, I forgot to say it burns, guys. My hair is burning and I cut my hair yesterday. My hair is burning. I'm suffering.